Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Bluetooth mouse is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, in 80% cases, the issue is that the battery is down. I know this because I have a Bluetooth mouse and I use it often. Now, change the battery and check if it helps. If it doesn't, then move to the next solution. Check the Bluetooth connection. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to Bluetooth and devices and then select devices. Now check if it is connected. For example, the Toad mouse is not connected, but this one is connected using a receiver. Okay, now if it is not connected, then click on the system tray, this forward pointing arrow, and try to connect it to the Bluetooth mouse. But in most of the cases, if you're using that 2G receiver, that dongle on your system, you will not need to connect it separately. In case of Portronics Toad mice or other similar mice, you will also have to check the option that it is selected at Toad Plus, Toad 1, or it is selected at 2.4G receiver. So this setting has to be checked on the mouse itself, and obviously reconnect if required. Lastly, update the Bluetooth driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list of Bluetooth adapters. Right click on the MediaTek adapter and update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.